Hey guys, today I'm at Universal Studios Orlando, Florida, and I'm in the kids area, and I'm about to go on Woody Woodpecker's Nut House coaster. This is a great coaster for kids, but also for adults as well. Some of the rides here in this area are closed, like Curious George Goes to Town is a water play place. It's closed because of social distancing, but there's a Barney show still going on here, and this fun ride, so I'm gonna go check that out now. So I'm just heading through the queue line now. There's like absolutely nobody here, so this is a great time to come. This is Wednesday afternoon, and it's pretty cool to see it so dead. I mean, not for the company obviously, but to be able to go here and ride all these rides is really awesome. Now's the time to kind of come and do that because you probably won't see it again.